shadows fading from the light. A cold wind blew through my worn-out coat, carrying every promise that she wrote. I stood alone where the river runs slow, watching old memories come and go. The whistle cried through the midnight rain and took my heart on that southbound train. She's on the last train out of Memphis, rolling through the Tennessee night, leaving behind all our dreams and wishes, disappearing with the fading light. The tracks keep singing her name forever, like a song that won't set me free. She's on the last train out of Memphis, and she took a part of me. The jukebox played our favorite song, a melody where we both belong. Now the dance floor stands empty and still, like a lonely echo over the hill. The bartender knows I don't say much, since I lost her loving touch. Every town looks the same somehow. I'm just a drifter wandering now. She's on the last train out of Memphis, rolling through the Tennessee night, leaving behind all our dreams and wishes, disappearing with the fading light. The tracks keep singing her name forever, like a song that won't set me free. She's on the last train out of Memphis, and she took a part of me. Maybe someday down another road, I'll lay this heavy-hearted load. But tonight the moon shines pale and cold, and every mile feels 10 years old. I hear that engine far away, like it's calling me to yesterday. The wheels keep turning, time moves on, but the memory is never gone. She's on the last train out of Memphis, rolling through the Tennessee night, leaving behind all our dreams and wishes, and disappearing with the fading light. The tracks keep singing her name forever, like a song that won't set me free. She's on the last train out of Memphis, and she took a part of me. The station lights are growing dim, the night keeps closing in. One more cigarette, one last goodbye, as that old train fades into the sky. She's on the last train out of Memphis, and I'm still standing here alone.